How Facebook, WhatsApp and email marketing help us to grow our online business. Hey guys. In this video, I have come up with another exciting topic, how Facebook, WhatsApp and email marketing help us to grow our online business. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for how Facebook, WhatsApp and email marketing help us to grow our online business? You're not alone. Millions of people are looking for ways to bring in some extra cash, and the internet is a great place to find opportunities. Facebook. Are you wondering how you can monetize Facebook? What are the requirements for Facebook ads? How to make money on Facebook and how to earn money with your Facebook page. I am sharing all the information in this video. There are many ways to make money on Facebook, including with video ad revenue plus other new ways to monetize a Facebook page. I'm including the ways to make money on Facebook with your Facebook page on the platform itself, even without affiliate marketing, selling your products, or brand sponsorships. Going into details about how to make money with Facebook pages and how I personally make money online with Facebook. Number 1. Facebook is a low-cost marketing strategy. Marketing activities that would cost thousands of dollars through other channels can be used on Facebook for a fraction of the cost. This makes it ideal for small to medium businesses with a limited marketing budget. Larger businesses can also trial marketing concepts and themes through Facebook before committing to bigger campaigns. Number 2. Targeted advertising. In this video we explain how Facebook can analyze all the information that millions of users enter into their profiles. As the owner of a business page, you can pay to use this information to deliver targeted advertising to a specific group. Number 3. Connect and serve your customers. Social media marketing used to be businesses simply broadcasting their marketing messages to their followers all day. It worked well back in the days when few businesses were on social media and people were still very receptive to marketing messages. WhatsApp. How to use WhatsApp to grow your business. With a WhatsApp business account, you can make customer service more efficient. Here are 6 ways you can provide better customer experiences through the WhatsApp business app. Step 1. Send text, voice and video messages to customers around the world without cost when connected to the internet. Step 2. Create a catalog so customers can shop your products directly in WhatsApp. Step 3. Master instant messaging with automatic greetings, away messages and quick replies. Step 4. Use group chats to have conversations with your customers at scale. Step 5. Label and organize your contacts to build meaningful relationships and improve messaging efficiency with automation. Email marketing. Email marketing is an efficient way to ensure that small businesses can reach out to their customers, grow their customer base, and build their reputation. Best of all, managing an email campaign is easier than most people imagine. Read on to discover the top benefits of email marketing for small businesses as well as why email marketing is the right way to reach your goals. Number 1. Become an expert with expert content. As a small business owner, you're likely seen as a local or regional expert when it comes to your area of business. One way to further cement this identity in the minds of consumers is to continue positioning yourself as an expert through the use of content. Email marketing doesn't have to just be about delivering coupons and sale information. In addition to emails designed to drive traffic to your business, you can use email marketing to deliver unique content that your subscribers will enjoy reading or watching. Number 2. Email marketing is efficient with your time and budget. Designing a professional email marketing campaign isn't complicated or time-consuming. Sending emails to a large number of subscribers is also very cost-effective. You get direct access to the email inboxes of potential customers, without having to pay the costs of direct mail. Dollar for dollar, email marketing is one of the most cost-effective forms of marketing available to online businesses. Number 3. Build credibility as a business. By using email marketing, you're able to build credibility by staying in contact with your customers and keeping them up to date about your business. The more they learn about your business, and the more they hear about your business, the more they'll trust your business. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more information if you like this video. Thanks so much for watching.